If you use Google Sheets, Docs, or Slides every single day, this video is for you. Imagine using 100 plus AI models directly inside Google Workspace. No formulas, no scripts, no copy-paste. Today, I'm reviewing AiAssistWorks Plus Plan, a lifetime deal on StackSocial. Let's see what it does and whether it's actually worth your money. Google Sheets, no formulas needed. This is where AiAssistWorks really shines. You can fill 1,000 to 10,000 plus rows using natural language, generate content, clean data, or analyze tables, create formulas, pivot tables, charts, and validations, apply formatting automatically, describe images using Vision AI, generate images directly inside Sheets, all without writing a single formula. Batch fill equal massive time saver. One of the best features is batch fill. You can bulk fill thousands of rows reliably, save up to 50% on API costs, avoid crashes that happen with normal AI formulas, perfect for SEO data product descriptions, research tables lead lists, Google Docs, AI, inside your document. Inside Docs, you can generate new content, rewrite or rephrase paragraphs, translate text, summarize long documents, insert AI-generated images. Everything happens inside the document, not in another tab. Google Slides, instant presentations. For slides, AiAssistWorks can generate full presentation outlines, auto-create complete slide decks, generate professional AI images for slides. This is great for client decks, reports, class or business presentations. Bring your own API. Huge advantage. This is important. AiAssistWorks lets you use your own API keys. Pay directly to AI providers. No markup, no hidden fees. You can connect providers like OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, Llama, Grok, Open Router, recommended, FAL. AI for image generation, so you stay in full control of your costs. What you get with the Plus plan. With the Lifetime Plus plan, only $24. You get access to all features, unlimited executions with your own API, unlimited batch filling, unlimited document and slide generation, access to all AI providers, priority access to future features, free updates, one-time payment, no monthly fees. Important things to know before you buy. This deal is for new users only. You must use your own API, works on desktop with a Google account, lifetime access after redemption, then AiAssistWorks. It's fast, flexible, and genuinely useful, especially for spreadsheets. If you found this review helpful, hit like and subscribe. Check the link in the description to grab the lifetime deal before it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.